In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Google Pay with Cash App. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. The option to use Cash App with Google Pay will be available if you have a cash card. You have two main ways of doing this. The first one is to go to the Google Pay app and follow the instructions I'm showing you on screen. Click the icon at the bottom right corner of the screen to access your money, and then select Show All Accounts. You will be able to click Add Account at the bottom of the Accounts page and then select to add an account to use as a payment method. As you can see, you will have to choose between bank and credit card balances or payment method, which allows you to add a card. When you click to use as a payment method, you will be able to input the details about your cash card. You can either use your camera to scan it or enter the details manually. Make sure that all the details are included and legitimate, and you will have to accept the terms in order to add the card to Google Pay. As long as you click Accept at the bottom of the screen, the card will be added and it will be listed under the payment methods. The second option that you have is to open up Cash App on your phone, go to the Card tab, and when you open up the menu on the Cash Card, you will be able to select Add Card to Google Pay. Regardless of which option you choose, you will be able to add your cash card to Google Pay. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Google Pay with Cash App. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.